From this world map, you can see that Asia leads the world in terms of number of disasters, and China and India are the two countries in Asia which contribute to about to 30% of the total disasters, followed by Philippines and Indonesia. America also shows high incidence of disasters, which includes 20 disasters reported from United States, 7 from Mexico, 7 from Guatemala, and 7 from Colombia. The world map shows the occurrence of natural disasters in 2017. That is, in 1 year, the number of disasters which have been reported are shown here. When we compare the statistics of 1 year, that is 2017, with that of 9 years prior to 2017, that is from 2007 to 16, we see that the number of disasters in 2017 is 335, which is very much close to 354 that was reported in 9 years, that is from 2007 to 2016. This shows a very disturbing trend. That means the occurrence of disasters are increasing day by day, and this increased incidences, this shows a disturbing trend of increased incidences. What has happened within 9 years is now happening within a year. What has contributed, which disaster type has contributed to this phenomena? We can see that floods and storms, which are climate related disasters, are the predominant disaster which have increased or shown greater incidences in 2017. As I had mentioned earlier, people are affected by natural disasters. Here you can see in this world map the people affected in 1 year, that is 2017, vis-a-vis over a period of 9 years, that is from 2007 to 2016. And you can see for both these time frames, Asia dominated in terms of people being affected. Now, which disasters have impacted or affected the people? We see that floods and storms have created the maximum havoc in terms of affecting millions of people. Which are the countries which have been affected the most? The Asian countries tops the list, with India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and China, which have been affected by flood. That means about 40 million people, that is 70% of the total affected people in Asia, were affected only in these four countries, that is India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and China. People have been affected in various ways. Either there have been deaths, or there have been injuries, there have been displacements, or there have been mental trauma. There have been various ways by which people have been impacted, which I have earlier also stated. But now here from this graph, you can see the global deaths from natural disasters over a century. Prior to 2017, that is from 1900 to 2016, which are the disasters which had impacted or which had caused deaths? They were either drought related deaths or deaths from epidemics or from floods. But now you can see this data set shows the number of deaths by various typology of disasters. So we can see that in 2017, in 1 year, the reasons or the deaths due to floods, landslides, storms have increased, and which shows that basically climate change related disasters have affected the people more, as large number of deaths have occurred. One significant point to note is that deaths due to extreme temperature, which was not prevalent in the last century, have now increased in 1 year. This map again shows that worldwide deaths due to natural disasters are increasing, and nearly 60% of the deaths worldwide has been reported from Asia. Among the top 5 countries with high mortality, we can see that India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh are countries which shows high mortality due to disasters, and nearly 50% of deaths are caused in Asia due to floods and cyclone. Apart from deaths, disasters have displaced people. You can see from this map that how the number of displaced persons from natural disasters have increased over the last decade, and the increase have taken place more in the Asian countries. This graph shows, as you can see from this graph, it shows the internal displacement in Asia due to natural disaster. It shows that China and Philippines are among the worst affected countries in the world due to natural disasters, since about 60% of the total displacement can be seen in China and Philippines only. The disasters have also rendered people homeless. The numbers left homeless post natural disasters have been increasing, and you can see from this graph that over the last 60 years there has been significant increase in the number of people whose house is either destroyed or heavily damaged, and therefore they need shelter. Now, let us understand the economic impact of natural disasters. The share of economic losses, this information shows the share of economic losses in percentages. You can see that nearly 90% of losses are incurred by US, followed by Asia. In 2017, the economic losses have increased in 1 year, that is in 2017, vis-a-vis that of 9 years, that of a span of 9 years, that is from 2007 to 16. The losses have increased from 142 spanning over 9 years to 334 in only 1 year. Now, what are the causes? Storms have been the prime cause of economic losses as compared to other disaster types. Now, which are the countries which have faced severe losses? We can see that 95% of economic losses can be attributed to storms, that is hurricanes and typhoons in USA and the Caribbean islands. Total damage cost from natural disasters globally have shown significant increase over the last 40 years, and it includes those from and the damage caused due to drought, floods, epidemics, extreme weather events, extreme temperature, landslides, dry mass movements, wildfires, volcanic activity, and earthquakes. If we try to understand the trends of economic damage by various types of disasters, we can see that the disasters due to extreme weather events have contributed to high economic damage over a period of time.